A broken dog avoided humans for years until one small moment changed everything. This dog did not run toward people, he ran away every time. Before this moment, humans only brought pain, fear, and broken trust to him. One day, someone stopped chasing him and simply sat down quietly. For the first time, the dog felt safe without needing to run. Now he stays close, still careful, but no longer completely afraid. All it took was patience, kindness, and someone who did not give up. Sometimes love is not loud, it just waits until fear is gone.